Welcome. In today's guide, I'll walk you through how to enable the option to include muted chats in the unread count on the Telegram app for PC. This is a handy update if you want to make sure you never miss a message, even from chats you've muted. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and ready, because everything we'll do happens inside the app itself. Once you're on the main Telegram screen, look towards the very top left corner. You'll see three small horizontal lines stacked together. This is the main menu button. Go ahead and click on those three lines to open the side panel. Inside this panel, you'll see several different options to choose from. What you need here is Settings. Click on Settings, and you'll be taken to the page where you can customize how Telegram works for you. From within the Settings menu, find Notifications and Sounds. This is the section where Telegram lets you adjust how and when you want to receive alerts for your messages and groups. Click to open it. Now, look carefully through the list of options available. With the new update, you'll notice a setting called Include Muted Chats in Unread Count. By default, this setting is usually turned off, which means muted chats won't be included in the badge count of unread messages. All you have to do is switch this option on. Once it's enabled, every time a muted chat receives a new message, it will still contribute to your unread count. This gives you a quick visual reminder that something new has arrived without having to manually check those muted conversations. And that's it. You've successfully updated your preferences so that even muted chats are included in the unread message count on Telegram for PC. This small change can make a big difference, especially if you use muting to reduce constant notifications but still want to keep track of activity in certain chats. If you found this walkthrough helpful, take a moment to apply the change right away and see how it works for you. Enjoy your improved Telegram experience and stay tuned for more quick and useful tips like this one.